I'm just going to show you how to do a simple scale on C major. So we're going to start off by just doing a scale of 1 octave on C major, each hand separately. So the right hand, you use the first 3 fingers and then you bring your thumb underneath and then use all the fingers again. So you go 1, 2, 3, thumb underneath, and then all the fingers. And then coming back down, again use all the fingers coming back. And take that 3rd finger over the top. Okay, we'll do the same thing one more time. That's the right hand, just 1 octave. Thumb, 3. Okay, so that's 1 octave of C major on the right hand. If we do the left hand, you start with your little finger on the C and you use all the 5 fingers to start with. And then you bring your 3rd finger over the top and use all of those. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then as you come back down, you go back to the 2, 3, and then thumb underneath. And use all the fingers back down. So I do that left hand one more time. So it's all 5 and then 3, 2, 1. Okay, so if you wanted to have a try at putting those two together, you would use all your fingers on the left hand and just the first 3 on the right before you change. So you would go like this. Thumb on the right, 3rd on the left, back down, thumb on the left, 3rd on the right. I do it one more time a little bit faster. So that's 1 octave hands together. If you're working for grade 1, you don't actually have to do the scales hands together quite yet, but you do have to do them 2 octaves. So if I show you the right hand, you would start exactly as we did. And then rather than putting your little finger down and finishing the scale there, you'd bring your thumb back under and start all over again. So again with 1, 2, 3, thumb again. And this time you finish on the little finger. Okay, so we'll do that again from the bottom. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, thumb under, up to the 4th, thumb under again, 1, 2, 3, thumb under, and all the way to the 5. As you come back down, use all the fingers. 3 on the E, 4 on the B, 3 on the E. And that's the right hand. So if I do that, speed it up. Okay, and the left hand doing the same thing. Again, you'd start with your 5 on the C, 3, 2, 1. So exactly as we did with just the 1 octave, and then from here, you take your 4th over. And then 3 on the A. So if I do that again from the bottom, so exactly as we did when we were doing just the 1 octave, all 5. 3, then 4, then 3. And then back down to the 3, thumb under, to the 4th, thumb under, to the 3, thumb under. And if I do that one more time, speed it up, and you can see how that one's going to go. And that's C major. So we've done 1 octave of each hand separately, an octave of the hands together, and then 2 octaves of each hand separately, which would be what you'd be doing for grade 1. On grade 2, you take those 2 hands that you've just did the 2 octaves and you learn those hands together as well. So there should be a link coming up on the screen now if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, and if you'd like to hit like or leave a comment, that would be brilliant. Have fun.